Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we'll now be talking about the concept of regular payment on the future value of ordinary annuity. Basically, the aim of this topic is to simply compute or calculate the regular payment that you're going to pay or you're going to invest so that you'll achieve a future value of an ordinary annuity. Okay, for example, if Peter has a goal of investing money with a future value of 100,000 pesos at a rate of 12% compounded quarterly for 5 years, how much should be his regular investment? So this one we have the Peter wants to have a future value of 100,000 pesos, or he wants to accumulate this amount of money. Then the rate or the compound interest rate is 12% compounded quarterly for 5 years. So how much should be his regular investment? So the first step is to simply let's identify the values or the given in this example. So the future value is this one. So we have 120,000. Next, the rate is 12%, or this is 0.12. If we're going to calculate that one, the percent, so we'll just type 12 divided by 100, then press equals. So 0.12, this is 0.12. Then M is the mode of interest, which is compounded quarterly. If we have compounded quarterly, so the M is 4, since in 1 year there are 4 quarters. Then the time is 5. In years is 5. So we have now the F, the R, the M, and the letter T. Okay, next is to simply substitute the given values using this formula for the regular payment of the future value of ordinary annuity. So we have the regular payment equals the future value times rate over the mode of interest all over the quantity 1 plus R over M raised to the power of MT minus 1. So we have F is 120, so we'll write 120,000. The next times the rate is 0.12. Then M is 4. Then all over the quantity 1 plus R over M, so we'll just copy this one, 0.12 over 4 raised to the power of M is 4 times the time is 5, then minus 1, and that's it, minus 1. Then after substituting, we need to operate the numbers within the parentheses. So we have 0.12 over 4, so we'll type in 0.12, then press divided by 4, press equals. So this is the answer. So we'll have 120,000 times this one, the quotient of this is this 0.03, then copy 1 plus this is again 0.3, Then we can also plug in or calculate this one. Press 4, then times 5. Times 5, then press equals. So this is the power of 20. Then minus 1. Okay, next is to operate these two numbers. So 1 plus 0.03 is gonna be 1 plus 0.03, so 1.003. 1.03. Okay, copy this. We will copy this numbers. 120,000 times 0.0303. Then we'll also copy this power 20 minus 1. Then after this, we will now, or we can simply input all of these numbers here with the operations, with the respective operations to get the regular payment R. So to start, let's type in 120,000, then multiplied by 0.03 times 0.03, then press equals. The next is divided by. Press divide since this numbers is the denominator. To divide, then press 2 close parentheses, then press 1.03, 1.03. Then since 20 is the power of 1.03, so press raise to the power of, plug in 20, then press 1 close parenthesis, then finally type in minus 1, then close parenthesis, then press equals. So we have, in other words, 4,465.88 pesos. Okay, in other words, the regular payment is 4,665.88. So meaning to say, if Peter wants to have a future value of 120,000 pesos at a rate of 12% compounded quarterly for 5 years, he needs to save or invest 4,465.88 to achieve the future value. So that's it. That's how are you going to solve for the rate or the regular payment of on the future value of ordinary annuity. Now like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified with the future uploads. So I'll be in the next videos, I'll be uploading the regular payment on the present value of ordinary annuity. So stay tuned for the next uploads. Thank you.